Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about chamfer command. So what is chamfer? If you want to draw angular corner, you can use chamfer command. As you can see, this is the angular corner and I used here chamfer command. Okay, so let's see how to use it. So chamfer command is in modify panel under home tab, and here you can see this is the command like fillet. Okay, next to it this is the drop down arrow, you will click here and next option is chamfer. Okay, so I will click here, chamfer command will be activated. Okay, or you can use this command ch and a. Okay, what cha? This is chamfer command and I will hit enter. Then what it is asking about, there are two types to just draw chamfer. Okay, one is distance and distance method and one is angle and distance method. For example, if you want to give two distance, you can draw chamfer like you can give the distance of this horizontal and vertical lines, or you can just give one distance and one angle here. So let's see the practical example here. For example, I just want to make a chamfer like this one. Okay, 1 unit on this side and 0.5 unit on this side. Okay, so let's see how to do this. For that I will just activate a chamfer command. Cha is the command. I will hit enter. Then what I will do, I will just select distance. I can just type here d. Okay, then I will hit enter. Now what it is asking about, specify first chamfer distance. Okay, so the first chamfer distance here is 1 unit along this axis. Okay, so I will give here 1. Then it will ask about what is the second chamfer distance. So its second chamfer distance here is 0.5 units. Okay, you can see here in this drawing. So I will just give here 0.5, then I will hit enter. Now what I have to do, I will just select first line. Okay, and then I will select second line. You can see this chamfer is same like this one. So let me just explain it to you that what AutoCAD did here. So I will just take a line command here. Okay, and I will start from here and I will end up here. Okay, end up here. Okay, now you can see this is the chamfer, and what AutoCAD did here is it take 1 unit from here, from this point to this point. Okay, and from here to here 0.5 units, and it just draw a chamfer. Okay, so this is the chamfer. Okay, hope you understand this one. I will just delete this one from here. Now again I will just draw a chamfer like a 0.75 unit and 0.50 unit. Okay, in distance and distance method, both I will give a distance. Okay, now I will just activate chamfer command. I will hit enter. Then I will type d. I need distance. I will hit enter. Now it is asking about what is the first distance. So first distance here is 0.75. So I will write here 0.75. Hit enter. Then what is the second distance? That is 0.5. And I will hit enter. Now I will select first line. Then I will select second line. This is how we can make chamfer. Okay, hope you understand this one. Now let's see angular method. Okay, so this is the angular method. So for example, I want to just activate here chamfer command. Now what I will do, I will just take angle. Okay, first I take what distance, now I will take angle. So I will write here angle a. Okay, then I will hit enter. Now what it is asking about, specify chamfer length on the first line. So first line here, what is it? This is 0.50. Okay, this is the distance. Now I have to just give an angle. So what is the angle here is, angle here is 45 degree. So I will give 45, then I will hit enter. So this was the first line. Okay, and this is the second line. This is how we can make chamfer in angle method. Okay, now again I will just draw a chamfer here in 1 unit here in a vertical and 30 degree angle. So let's see how to do this. I will activate chamfer command. I will hit enter, and again I will right click here. This is another option. I will go in angle. Instead of right a, you can right click and you can select from here as well. Okay, now what it is asking about, specify chamfer length on the first line. So this is the first line and I want to give here as 1 unit. I will hit enter. Now it will ask about angle, so I will give here 30 degree of angle. Now I will hit enter. Now I will select first line and second line. Hope you understand how we can use angle method as well. Now let's see polyline method. Okay, so for example, I will just activate chamfer command here, and I will just right click here. I will go into polyline option. Okay, now it is just giving me the distance and angle and the method. Okay, so I need distance here. So I can just give angle as well, as I just give you the procedure how we can make a chamfer in angle method. Okay, now I will hit D, I will type D and I will hit enter. Now what it is asking about, what is the distance? So distance, it could be any distance, so I will just write here, for example, 0.5, then I will hit enter. Again, what is the second chamfer? So again 0.5, then I will hit enter. Now I will just select this one. You can see this is a polyline method as we did in fillet command. Okay, now there is another method, that is what that is multiple option. That is very similar to the fillet command that we use. Okay, I will right click here. You can see this is the multiple option. As we did in fillet command, you can do here as well. The method is same. So I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.